Nobody hopes for another boring run-of-the-treadmill day, a bland day, only coffee can get me through the day.
No, not today. Today is different. Today is a treasure truck kind of day. Introduce. Yes. Treasure Truck drives around Seattle, bringing spontaneous delight to your neighborhood. And you never know where or up. It's like an ice cream truck for adults. Only instead of ice cream, Treasure Truck delivers can't-miss items curated just for you. Like these mouth-watering 24-ounce prime porterhouse steaks, or a one-of-a-kind handcrafted glassy baby, or perhaps a professional Shun Chef knife set at 50% off. Use the Amazon mobile shopping app and get notified when Treasure Truck is in your neighborhood. Just tap to buy, choose one of the day's pickup locations, and show up to claim what is rightfully yours. They won't have any trouble finding us. Treasure Truck. What's on the truck today?